Good morning, everybody. Steph here. We are at the ferry pier in Bangkok, or one of them. We're gonna get a ferry over there to the the western train station. So it's gonna go to Kanchanaburi. We are going to Kanchanaburi today on a third-class train. So that's the adventure today. It's just, I'm gonna take you guys to check out what a Thai third-class train is. I'm very comfortable on them, but let's see how you guys like it. Come on, let's go. This ferry only costs 10 cents, or 10 baht, so 5 baht, 10 cents. But saves me an hour and a half of walking, which is very convenient. Let's go this way. I was gonna rent a big motorcycle here in Bangkok and drive it to Kanchanaburi, but after a few days here, realizing I didn't want to deal with the traffic in the city at all. Much nicer to take the train out of the city and then just be able to cruise in an environment that I'm comfortable with. The Kanchanaburi area, it's more like the type of riding that I'm used to. Thonburi train station, everybody. Bangkok Noi. We made it to the train. We get on the train in one piece. Got about 45 minutes till the train takes off. Yeah, it's a 3-hour journey. It's 100 bucks. It's about $3 for a 3-hour journey. It's pretty scenic. I'm excited. I have been to Kanchanaburi once, and it was the first time I ever came to Thailand. So I was 19, and I am 38 now. So it's been a while. I bet it's changed. But I took this train then, so. For a brekkie, I hit up the market, and we got champu, so rose apples. These yum lums. I got a kilo for 50 baht, so like $1.75. A little bit more comfortable than I remember. This is a popular tourist route because Kanchanaburi is a popular tourist town. Kind of famous for a lot of things, which in some future videos we're gonna explore a little bit. But a lot of foreigners go there, a lot of tourists go there. So this morning bus is 7:45, there's 2 in the morning, and the best way to get to Kanchanaburi.
Before leaving the train, the State Railway of Thailand appreciates for choosing our services and looks forward to serving you again. Thank you. 请注意，欢迎来到。
All right, we have arrived in Kanchanaburi, Thailand. Welcome. I remembered on the way, I've actually been here like 17, 18 years ago, but also I was here 9 years ago, and I just remembered it because I volunteered at an animal sanctuary that's in Sangkhalburi, which is further on towards the Burmese border from Kanchanaburi, for a few weeks 9 years ago. So I did stop in here then, but I didn't really do much. I just bought supplies to bring to the shelter, so this is gonna be fun. I have been walking from the train station for about 45 minutes, about 95 degrees, you know, no big. Could I have paid $2 for a motorcycle sidecar taxi? I absolutely could have, but I already invested that $2 in rose apples, into a kilo of rose apples to fuel myself. I talk a big game in the morning and then I'm super dehydrated in the afternoon, so, you know, it's awesome. Almost here, I hope, please. And I'm too early for check-in, but I just want to chill out and get a cold drink, and I want to show you guys why we're here. This is why we came here. Oh, I'm making video. This is a little river called the River Kwai. You may have heard of it. Shower, bathroom. Bathroom, shower, room. Here is home, sweet home. Oh, dear man. When a speedboat goes by, it makes the entire raft shake. I actually lived in a hut like this, very, very similar to this, for a number of years, so it's very comfy. I think I'm gonna hoof it for the rest of the day. I was gonna get a bike today, kind of save my feet a little bit. I'm not gonna go out anywhere until tomorrow, but I'm gonna walk. I saved a bunch of money on the room. I got a really good deal, 11 bucks for 2 nights, which I know might, for most people, or if not for most people, gosh, for some people, yeah, if you have to walk 50 feet away from your bed to use the restroom, and you have to potentially fall into a river, maybe that's not worth paying $6 a night or whatever for a room. So, but for me, my kind of room, that's really all I need. I'm very, very happy in just a little place like that. Really, the overall in life, just any place that my dogs are safe and I have warm weather and a soft bed, that's all I care about. So we're gonna hoof it. Already saved the money in the room, so by not getting the motorbike, I'm gonna use that money and then buy a bunch of weed, which, I mean, is kind of always my go-to, but you know, whatever. Or get a massage, or buy a little bit of weed and get a massage. Oh, that's nice. Let's do that. It's all a very big to-do. This is a popular place with Thai tourists, tourists from around Asia, and from Western tourists too, because of the connotations of the Allied POWs obviously building this railway right here. Floating restaurants, Chinese temple. Yeah, I prefer this to Bangkok a lot. So that's, I think, where I'm gonna leave you guys. I'm gonna leave you guys right here on the bridge on the River Kwai. We're gonna go do some cool stuff around here in some other videos. This is a nothing video. If you've watched this for real, like, are you my mom? No, you're not, because my mom doesn't watch my videos. That's okay. But if you've watched this, thank you. If you want to see more, then like, subscribe, all that. We're gonna be going on all kinds of fun adventures. All right, I love you. Bye.
Die constructie was ook. Ik heb ooit wel eens een keer op de